Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section, then not display, home screen and wallpaper, then go to the wallpapers. You can select one of the pre-installed static wallpapers, you can select one of the live wallpapers, or you can just set up any other image that you can download from the internet, or just like take a photo and then set it as a wallpaper when you go into the My Photos. Then select an image, for example this one. Here you can adjust how it would look. Then tap done, and then just tap done if you want to set it as a home screen wallpaper, and then set both if you want to set it on a home screen and a lock screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.